I ask myself the question, can I germinate my roselle seed in February? If someone doesn't have many seeds, I wouldn't recommend trying this earlier. Hi everyone, it's me Lele. Today, 2nd of February 2025, I want to try growing Roselle for the third time, but the first time for planting in February. In the UK, cultivating that plant can be quite challenging due to the climate. So, imagine me staring at these tiny seeds like a scientist about to make history. Except instead of a laboratory, it's my windowsill. And instead of groundbreaking discovery, I'm just hoping they don't immediately give up on life. If planted in March or after the last flood, it has a better chance of survival. However, I am unsure if it will survive after germination the seeds in February. Despite this, I am eager to attempt to grow these from seeds, and I will keep it on a windowsill to see how it does. I have experience growing plants in the UK, but I always start in March. This will be my first time trying to grow something earlier, so I am curious to see the result. This time in my germination, I won't use my tissue method because the weathers are stay cold. I will use seeds and cutting compost. If someone doesn't have many seeds, I wouldn't recommend trying this earlier, as they're a big risk. They won't survive. I suggest waiting until the last frost or March to start growing for a better chance of success. Growing roselle in the UK is difficult for sure, but I am excited to experiment and see. If an early start can work, this will be a learning experience. And I hope to gain insights that will help in future plantings. If successful, it could open up new possibilities for growing this plant in cooler climates. I will give you an update to show you my failures or success, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my update. Alright, that's it for today. Happy gardening and see you later.